Hey everybody, this is Gary, the fist pump guy over at Bonnie's Toyota, Enterprise, Alabama. Today, I want to show you a couple of the new safety features as part of the Toyota Safety Sense P 2.0, new for the 2019 Corolla Hatchback. I'm going to show you how to turn on and use the lane tracing assist and also road sign assist, so you don't want to miss this. Stay tuned. In order to start using the lane tracing assist and road sign assist, we'll have to make sure that those are on and ready to use. We will be using this 4.2 multi-informational display screen on the right hand side of the instrument cluster in this SE model. Using these directionals, go to the right until you come to the settings wheel. Okay, the first one is lane tracing assist. Now we're going to need to make sure it's on. So what you're going to do is take this OK button, hold it down, okay, until you're entered into the screen. Now you'll see the steering assist, sensitivity, and sway warning are already lit up, but the lane center is off. So what we're going to do is hit the OK button again, turn that on. Now I need to make sure the road sign assist is on, so I'm going to turn that and get back out of that screen, and then I'm going to scroll down using the same arrows and touch on the OK button again and turn that on. Now we're ready to go. Let's go test it out. Okay, in order to show you the lane tracing assist and also the road sign assist, I'm gonna need to be driving. I will be in a controlled environment, so shouldn't be in any danger. Make sure that you turn on your radar cruise control, since that's the way that the lane tracing assist works, and we will see how this goes. So as I'm coming up to the stop sign here, you'll see it on the right hand side. You should be able to see the stop sign show up in your multi-informational display screen, as you can see right there. Now, from best of my knowledge, I think you'll show up to 3 signs at one time there. It's supposed to also do a do not enter sign as well, which I don't think that I will be experiencing that on this trip, but it will pick up speed limit, yield, and stop signs for sure, because I have done that. So what we're going to do is, as we go, I'll try to show you the signs, but I'm definitely going to set the radar cruise control and show you how the lane tracing assist works. Okay, so once I get to a speed that I feel comfortable setting the cruise control, I'm just going to do like 45 for right now. I'm going to set my cruise control, and you can see the extra line show up right here. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to keep it right near the steering wheel and let this thing center me as best it can between the 2 lines. So as long as it's picking up the lines, it'll actually correct my steering. Now you'll notice that that line went away, so it did pull me back over the lane steering assist, but now it's keeping me centered in the lane for the most part. I'm in between the 2 lines. Okay, it's telling me to put my hands on the steering wheel, so I am keeping them very close to the steering wheel, and I'm watching the road at the same time. Okay, there we go. It's pulling me back over because I didn't have lines in the middle of the intersection there. So this is primarily, there's a speed limit sign. It just passed 55, so I am doing 45, as you can see, or 50. But this is primarily better used on longer road trips, such as interstates or places where higher traffic is concerned. It's a very nice feature to have, and it will alert you if you start getting too close to the lines as well, and try to pull you back over if that is necessary. So thank you for the trip. Man, that was fun. Thank you for joining the Fist Pump Guy for another product video. This one how to turn on and use the lane tracing assist and a roadside assist that's new on the 2019 Corolla Hatchback as part of the Toyota Safety Sense P 2.0. Don't forget to check me out on all my other social media sites. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Follow the Fist Pump Enterprise.